Hey there guys, this is Andre from Sport and Fit Gym. Today I'm going to talk to you about push-ups and how you can use different accessories to make it more interesting. It's boring to just do simple push-ups. Now here we have a Bosu ball, a medicine ball, Pilates ball, a roller and a kettlebell. We're going to show you different types of push-ups which you can do with each one of these to make it more interesting and to get more out of your workout, to get more core, to get more legs, and so you don't have to do the same thing all the time. First, we use a medicine ball. Do a basic push-up with both hands on the medicine ball. So you go straight, you go in, up. To get it more dynamic, you can also use it to do one arm on the ball, the other one down, and you go down and twist. There. Notice here, because your arm is on a high level, you go further down, you stretch more your chest muscle, and you get more work done. There. The next thing we're going to do is a Bosu ball, which is similar as the medicine ball, but you get more vibration and more proprioceptive work. So you get both arms from there, and you do a push-up. The next thing you can do is also throw yourself from one side to the other. Really put the emphasis on the arm which is on the ball. So you go down, really use that arm to push off. This arm is just to help you. Just really throw it from there. One more thing, you can always put your legs to the ball. Get more done from your core, and also as we're lifting our body up, more goes on our shoulders. There. Bring one leg up to include the glutes as you work. Next, we will do a nice little exercise with the kettlebell. I call it a T push-up. It's quite difficult, but it works the whole body. So you go down, and as you go up, you pull and you twist. Your head goes up, and you twist the kettlebell over. Come back down, down, pull. There. As you pull, you are working your back muscles here. You work your back, which you cannot really do when you're doing a basic push-up. So there's a kettlebell. We're going to work more of our abs with this roller. You can get this pretty much everywhere. It's good for balance, it's good for your abs. So as you go down, you go up. That's a basic roller movement. Now we're going to throw in a push-up. There, go. And you go down. You do a push-up and you roll. So you're doing a lot more abs as well as the push-ups. And the most difficult and most interesting, in my opinion, is the Pilates ball, because you're going to be shaking a lot using this. First one, you put your both arms on the ball. Now, if you put them on like this, it can hurt your wrists a bit. So if you turn them like this, it's much less painful. You put your legs wide so that you don't twist to the side. You go down and you go up. You go down and you go up. Try to control the movement. Don't just do this. Try to control it. You go down and up. See how I'm shaking all the little muscles in your shoulders and all your triceps, and everything is working very nicely. You will feel it when you try. The next one is put your legs on the ball. Now we're including a lot more of our core. So our core is working to keep this ball nice and steady. See? Shaking, and then we go down and up. Easier thing to do would be to put your legs like this. If this is too difficult, then do this. And also do the push-up. What you can also do, you can try to do, it's quite difficult, Just lift one leg, you get a lot more work done. But it's very, very difficult. That's really advanced. And also, bring in, you go down. You get more abs working. There. That's it for today. These are just some of the things you can do. I hope I've given you different ideas which you can work with. Play, make the training interesting, don't do always the same movement. We have different things, there's plenty of other things you can find. Don't be afraid to experiment. As long as it doesn't hurt your joints, you're fine. That was Andre for Sport and Fit. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.